Hello, welcome back to another YouTube video. We are just gonna wrap up this week's price and see if our forecast on the previous Sunday, played out. So when we came into the market last Sunday, we was looking at for bearish prices, but for me, this week was a bit funny just because of how we did end up falling to our target, but I was expecting price to push higher into either this fair value gap or into this fair value gap up here, which price didn't seem to do. So just because of that, it wasn't as clean. I would say the price action wasn't as clean. And then as we go into the 4-hour time frame, we see that we had this 4-hour fair value gap, which was expected, but it was on the Thursday and kind of the Friday where you could have got some trades in. But apart from that, it was very messy. Like, you could have been trying to sell from here, but it's also not high probability just because of how, not sell, but have a bias of shorts from here just because of these daily fair value gaps. So with that in mind, it was a not difficult, but it wasn't the best week. On Monday, I got some shorts on GU. I got 2R, so I gained 1%. Tuesday, I was break even. I missed a trade on GU, just due to it didn't sweep. Where was it? It was Tuesday, but then on the 15-minute there was actually an entry, so I think it's there. That's Monday, and then Tuesday. I didn't have anything, but if I would have used the 15-minute time frame, I actually could have gotten these longs. And then after that, I tried to go long on Wednesday, literally got stopped out. Quickly, it was a stressful trade this, because, and like I said, price has just been crap. Like, why did we need to come all the way down here? Anyway, so I decided, I'm not gonna trade Forex for the rest of the week. We had GJ as well, which was funny, very funny behavior. I expected bearish price from this daily fair value gap. We pushed into this weekly fair value gap. We did get some bearish momentum, but still these targets down here didn't end up getting taken. The only thing I could say that was fine in a sense was Nasdaq. I got in a trade on, I think it was Friday. Tried to get in Thursday, got stopped out. Thursday was low probability just due to we broke this daily fair value gap, so that was a sign of we may look to go short. But then we came back up above it, and I just thought, you know what, I like these highs, so I tried to go long, got stopped out. Then we tapped into this 4-hour fair value gap here, and as you can see, we pushed high. Still not taking out these highs this high yet though, so maybe next week we might get some moves like that, but I'm not trading next week or the week to come. Apart from that, I realized I need to be getting back to trading NAS 100 Nasdaq, just due to that is where I started to see profitability, whereas right now trying to trade Forex pairs, it's not the best. But the reason why, I need to understand the reason why I stopped trading Nasdaq was because of we were stuck in this area here. So it's kind of for 1, 2, 3 weeks. But once we broke out of it, I should have understood now's time to start trading, kind of thing. Well, it's all learning, and I understand that this is my pair. If you want to have the best opportunity to put the highest probability to be profitable, this is the pair I need to be focusing on. Setting alerts on and just being there when certain things are going off. And like I said, like understanding when it's time not to trade. Like here for me, it could have pushed lower from this weekly fair value gap for all we know. But yeah. Apart from that, it's just been yeah, that's it really. There's nothing else to really be said. We took Nasdaq, gained 3R. the week itself, because I actually did something stupid on USDT, and as you can see, the pair's not even on my on my watch list anymore. Because yeah, anyway, actually I think it ended up going in my favor, but I shouldn't have even been in the trade. So yeah, more discipline is needed. What else? What else? That's about it really. Done for this year. Come back January. See what's what. See what's good. Yeah, that's it really. There's nothing else to really be said. The Nasdaq trade. The only thing I would say I could have done better on it was held it longer. So I got out. I think I got in at 6, and I got out here. And look how much I left on. I left about this much on the table, so I probably could have got about 5 to 6 R out of it. But there was also CPI, so I wasn't really trying to hold my position through CPI. But in this case, it would have played out in my favor. Apart from that, there's nothing really to be said. Nothing more to be said. Just gotta come back to the charts, do what I've been doing. Be a bit more focused. I think I need for next year I need a bit more focus, and like I said, just make sure I'm setting these alerts on these PD arrays and seeing what time we're coming into them and stuff like that. But apart from that, I don't need to change anything. I don't need to tweak anything. Or like I've dropped out one of the pairs just to just get more focus. Fully gonna be primarily focusing on NAS 100. And then when scenarios like this is happening, may look for GU and GJ, see what they're doing. But if nothing's even clear on that pair, I just won't trade because it just doesn't even make sense. And yeah, that's it really. Just waiting. Waiting for next year. Trying to make it happen. If I was to do a forecast now, in fact, I'm not gonna do it, but I do think these highs are gonna get taken out. Probably do some. Then yeah, just gonna do some back testing. Look at what happened last year. 2022 around this time, how the price maneuver. That's it really. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.